Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today I'll be working on my folding layout once more again, just to finish off the last few bits of details. Because I've got some people here and some vehicles, a little bit of glue to put them down, some more glue to put them down. Have got the layout name here, which I'll be hiding for the moment. Also got some greenery here to add, a bit more greenery to add just to help add a little bit more to the layout. Also got some signs for the shops, so they'll be going on, adding the station names as well. And hopefully I'll be getting that wire hidden underneath the layout as well. So not too much, but it is the last few touches to the layout just to help add a little bit more extra here and there. I may also try and get the blue bit of scenery behind the houses, but yeah, it was a bit of a faff trying to get the blue on the outside, so I may put that one off. But yeah, I don't expect this to be a particularly long video because, well, there's not really much to do. Most of it is just going to be gluing down to people. But yeah, just some final touches. So yeah, I'm going to stop yapping and get on to the work. So I'll see you in a bit.
was, yeah. Sorry, I was like, what is he trying to do?
Right, that's pretty much this layout all sorted. Still got a few little bits to fix, mainly just to get this wire pinned down, just so it's not going to get in the way of the basically the fold in that lot. But yeah, that's turned out alright. I did have to do that off camera because it was a bit fiddly. Do need to sort out a little bit of scenery fixes as well, mostly around that area. But yeah, it's turned out quite nicely. Actually does look very lived in now as well. Very happy with it. Oh, and yeah, I need to fix the telegraph pole over there. It keeps getting knocked off when it folds up. I may just lower that down a little. Oh well. Just a dab of glue fix that. And yeah, the station's all named now. Let me zoom in here. Oh, move in. Yeah, I call it St. Diana's Holt, of the Church of St. Diana. Hopefully it's pronounced right. I don't know, I used a, either somebody suggested it to me or I used a random name generator and that's what I came up with. But yeah, nice little village. A couple of houses, 2 shops, both named after friends. Got Mia's general store over there, and got my friend Saki soup shop, which goes well with her character. So yeah, little bits of fun to add. Also, I do want to add a few little other bits here and there, like I do want to put a water crane here and a little bit of coal on the side, but I haven't got any water cranes to put in there, so that can be done some other time. Let's see. Yeah, quite happy with it. Oh, I may also put some more cargo here, but that can come and go when it feels like. I think there may be a few too many people here, but some of them are on the platform and they'll probably wander off somewhere else. And one person making their way up the road. But yeah, very happy with how it's turned out. I know some wanted me to put some bits in the back of the gardens, but yeah, I think they're a bit too closed in. I may try at some point. I may try and put a little greenhouse or shed there. That would probably work nicely. Maybe something in this one because it's a little bit bigger. Oh, and I didn't bother putting the blue on the inside wall because, yeah, that was a nightmare putting it on, so I just didn't bother. Oh well, that's going to be it for me, and that's going to be it for this layout as well. I will be running stuff on this layout from time to time, because it's a very nice little layout. Tucks underneath my bed quite nicely, so yeah, that'll be a nice one to run around. But yeah, after this I will be starting something else. I do like the concept of folding layouts, so I will be trying to do some more of them. But yeah, I may try to do a better method of power transfer from that. No, that's not rain. Sounds like rain, but no, that's somebody drilling. Oh well. Yeah, anyway, that's going to be it for me, and also this layout. So if you do like the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But yeah, I'm going to have a rest now and sort out that telegraph pole. So yeah, that's it for me, and I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye.